This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the essential business information before you begin enrollment. You need a legal business name, registration number, and a tax ID. Have a business bank account ready with routing and account numbers for payouts. Gather identity documents for owners and authorized representatives, such as government ID and business registration. Make sure your business website domain, email, and phone are verified and active. Enable two-step verification on your Google account before you start the registration process. Sign in with a verified Google account and open the Google Pay Business Console. Click Create Account and enter your legal business details precisely as on official documents. Upload KYC documents for owners and the business, including government ID and registration proof. Add your bank account for settlements and confirm routing and account numbers correctly. Choose your business category and expected monthly volume estimates for processing. Expect verification to take approximately 3 to 5 business days after document submission and review. After verification, integrate Google Pay SDK, API, or use payment links for your platform. Configure merchant settings, payout frequency, and notification preferences in the console. Run test transactions using an authorization to confirm flow and refunds work correctly. Monitor settlements and reconciliations, typical settlement posts within 2 to 3 business days. Keep business and KYC documents updated to avoid holds or reviews. Respond promptly to chargebacks, disputes, and compliance requests to maintain uninterrupted process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.